India, the fourth worst-hit country in the world, recorded more than 11,000 cases of the coronavirus disease COVID-19 and 386 deaths in the last 24 hours, according to the Union Health Ministry. There were 11,458 new COVID-19 cases and 386 deaths between Friday and Saturday, taking India's infection tally to 308,993, with the latest 1 lakh cases added in just the last 10 days and its toll to 8,884. Manipur registered 40 fresh COVID-19 positive cases, taking the total tally to 406. Of this, 85 patients have been discharged after recovery, and the number of active cases stand at 321 till this morning. The total number of COVID-19 cases in Nagaland rose to 163 after 7 more patients tested positive for coronavirus this morning. According to media reports, of the 7 new cases, 6 are from Mon Quarantine Center and 1 from Kohima Quarantine Center. The state now has 114 active cases, while 49 patients have recovered so far. No one has died of COVID-19 in the state so far. Assam has reported 195 fresh COVID-19 positive cases as of last night, after which the state's overall tally has climbed to 3,693. Confirming the report, Assam Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma tweeted late last night about 195 new COVID-19 cases in the state. According to sources, 3 doctors at Guwahati Medical College and Hospital, GMCH, also tested positive for COVID-19 yesterday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will have a one-to-one interaction with the chief ministers of northeastern states on Tuesday over the prevailing COVID-19 situation in the region. Media reports said that the interaction program will take place with all states on June 16th next and the Union Territories the next day. The meeting through the video conferencing will start from 3 p.m. and it is believed that the Prime Minister Modi will talk with all the chief ministers over the present state of affairs involving COVID-19. SK Women's College Khorampat under Nambol has secured the 188th position among India's colleges at India Ranking 2020 of National Institutional Ranking Framework of Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. Social activists Linda Newmai, Mayang Bamdaina, Charu Pragya and Mavaina yesterday distributed face masks, sanitizers and sanitary pads free of cost to 125 young girls at Munirka in New Delhi. The Supreme Court asked private airlines to find a way out to refund the airfare of passengers whose flights were cancelled during the lockdown, according to media reports. It may be mentioned that most of the airlines have placed passengers in a credit shell, according to which they could avail the travel on the same sector within the next 7 months to 1 year. The situation along India's borders with China is under control, Army Chief General Manoj Mukund Naravane said today. Naravane said that the ongoing series of high delegation level talks with the Chinese side has been followed up with meetings at the local level between the commanders of equivalent ranks, a media report said. Chief Naravane said that through the continued dialogue, it is hoped that all perceived differences between India and China will be set to rest. While scientists and experts continue to bolster the effort to arrive at a much-awaited vaccine for COVID-19, some experts are looking at the potential of existing drugs and vaccines in fighting the virus, according to media reports. A latest study published in the medical journal Science explains if existing live vaccines can help prevent COVID-19. The study talks about oral polio vaccine (OPV), which comprises live attenuated vaccines and can reduce the incidence of other infections.